Pastor, do you have to be a Christian to make heaven?
No, sir. Christianity does not save anybody.
Why do you say so?
There is no salvation in Christianity. Salvation is in a person.
Get about in the Bible.
The book of Acts says there is no name under heaven by which any man can be saved.
But our pastor told us that you won't go to heaven if you're not a Christian.
Lie. There's no salvation in when did Christianity start? People went to heaven before Christianity started.
Can you tell us when Christianity started?
Christianity started in Antioch in the book of Acts. And it is unbelievers that gave the name.
What about God? Is he a Christian?
God is not a Christian. So you don't have to be a Christian to make heaven.
You say what?
God is not a Christian. Even Jesus is not a Christian.
Because this is the names of people that serve God that we are not Christians.
Abraham was not a Christian. Isaac and Jacob were not Christians. Moses was not a Christian.
Okay. Continue.
Isaiah was not a Christian. David was not a Christian. All the patriarchs were not Christians.
When I tell people that Jesus is a native doctor, they don't believe. When you watch the life of Jesus Christ, you see he used clay to open the eyes of the blind. He does a lot of things. That is how our ancestors have been doing in the time immemorial. When you know the God you serve him with all your mind. He directs you. He teaches you what to do at the right time. On that day, a lot of people will be disappointed. Many will say, I have prophesied in your name. I have done this in your name. I have done different type of thing in your name. I know God, Chukwuokike Abiama, will say, get behind me, you workers of iniquity. In all, my advice is to love humanity, to love God in doing the right thing, in keeping your hands clean, loving others. Even when people treat you bad, learn how to treat them right, because that is how we supposed to do. The people that crucified Jesus Christ, I remember he said, forgive them because they know not what they are doing. So a lot of people will say a lot of things, but I know my chi. I allow God to speak through me in all ramification. I am just a servant, willing to serve God with everything that he has deposited in me. With this, I say, unu ga-egbu n'iru, unu ga-egbute. Unu ga-egbu n'azụ, unu ga-egbute. Unu ga-adị ka echi, maka na echi ada akwa akwa. Ọ chọọ ihe ọ ya eme unu, ọ dacha ya ekwu ya. This is a sacrifice of good wish. A lot of people don't know that Olumili have different ways to do it. When your leg doesn't move, the rest of your body don't move. All kuge nedugeje different type of places. That is the reason why you have to do some sacrifice. Kuge happy bugije ebe na adịghị mma. Ọ ga na-eme n'iru ị nọ n'azụ, ọ na-eme n'azụ ị nọ n'iru. May your leg take you to the right place at the right time.